She's fed up. She's fed up with the lies, the excuses, the empty promises. She's fed up with being the one who always cares, always tries, always gives more than she gets. She's fed up with being the strong one while others sit back and watch her carry it all. She's fed up with people who don't appreciate her, take her kindness for weakness, and expect her to keep showing up when they never do. But the thing is, she's not angry. She's just done. Done fighting for people who don't fight for her. Done giving energy to things that drain her. She's fed up, and now she's focusing on herself. No more second chances, no more begging for respect. She's walking away and never looking back. If this hits home, comment, "She is me," or share this with the person on your mind, and don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.